Whoa, did you hear that? The sound of doorbell that I added in to indicate that something is here for me. Whoa, gonna go check it. It came. It's behind my back. Okay, you ready for this? We're gonna unbox it together. This is what it came in. Well, a bigger box, but I opened it. But this is it. So, let's open it up, shall we? Okay, before we get started on unboxing the world's smallest camera, I just want to let you know that people are doing construction outside. They're adding an extension to the house. So if you're a bunch of banging, people aren't trying to come in and kill me. It's just the people working. Alright, let's get right to it. Okay, here we go. Comes in a little tiny box like that. Smaller than my palm. Or about the same size as my palm. But you get the point. Okay. Alright, we got the charging wire, I guess. We got this piece of paper, which I'm guessing is directions. Yep, it's directions, and what it comes with. Instructions. Ooh, here it is, guys. The world's smallest camera. Can you see it? Look at that thing. So right here you put it to charge, I guess, and then right here you put your micro SD card or whatever it's called right in there. I'm gonna get a micro SD card because it didn't come with one. I think that's what they're called, micro SD, right? I don't know, but I'm gonna go get one. 1 second.
12 seconds later.
Okay, I got a 32 gigabyte Ultra Plus micro SD. Okay, it is a micro SD, I was right. Alright, I'm gonna put it right into the bottom of this. We're gonna get started. Also, I did charge it for like 10 minutes during that 1 minute later. Come on, how do you get in? Is it gonna go in? Oh, nope. How do you put it in? Right, for some reason, micro SD card won't go in. Oh, there it is. Get the right sweet spot, I guess. There it is. Okay, it's in. All right, let's read the directions. Oh, it also came with the, the little strap. It also came with the keychain and the washer. I don't know what the washer's for, but keychain. Put it right onto this. Kind of clip it onto your keys. You have a little camera going around. I'm gonna take pictures of it right now and put them in, just so you can get a clearer look on it. I don't know if the camera caught it well or not. I have this shining bright light in my face, so I can't tell if the camera got it or not. Alright, here we go. I'm going to read the paper it came with. So, S119 micro digital video camera. Package contains 1 mini DVR camera, 1 USB charging cable, 1 wrist strap, and 1 keychain connector. Alright, instructions. Charging. Please charge the device fully before using. When this item is charged, the red indicator light will blink continuously. When the device has reached a full charge, the red light will remain lit. Okay, so I didn't charge it till the red light. I only charged it for like 10 minutes, so I guess I'll have to charge it more. We will be back soon. So for anyone that cared to see what it looked like when it was oh, it's not blinking anymore. Alright, we got a solid red. That means it's fully charged. Let's get back to the video. Alright, now we're on the instructions part of this little paper sheet they gave me. I'm going to have to keep it in there because I don't want to lose this because I know I'm going to forget how to use it. Press the operation button for 2 seconds to turn on the device. The red light will remain lit. The camera is now in standby mode. Please view the booklet to view where the option button is located. Okay, so there's only one button on here. You can't actually see through that thing. It's just fake. But, okay, so hold down for 2 seconds. 1, 2. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I'm gonna hold it down longer. Oh, we're blinking. Alright, we're on. Okay. Red light is on. Picture mode. First, put the device in standby mode. Press the operation button completely down. The red indicator will flash 1 time. The picture is now stored in the micro SD card. First, put the device in standby mode. It's in standby mode. Press the operation button completely down. The red indicator that there'll be a flash. Okay. Say cheese. Did it work? Oh. I think it worked. Yeah, it went off red, then back to red. Let's see if you can see it. Ready? See? So cool. I'm really hoping it comes out well for like a good picture. Alright, video mode. The First, put the device in standby mode. Okay, it's in standby mode. Press the operation button down for 2 seconds, then release. The red indicator will flash continuously. The device is now currently recording video. To stop recording, press the operation button for 1 second. The video is now stored in the micro SD card. All right, let's try to do a video here. Ready? Hold down for how long? All right, we're holding it down for 2 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. And it's blinking. Here, see if you can see that. Oh no, it wasn't blinking, it just shut off. Alright, well it shut off. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, to put it back on. Okay, it's blinking, it's on. Okay. Okay, now it's flashing. Alright, I guess to hold it down, you just keep holding it. I don't know, maybe like 2 seconds is longer. But we're flashing now, and it's supposedly videotaping. Selfie. Duck face. Okay, this is cool so far. A little complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, I'm sure it's probably easy. Let me put this on the wrist. Oops. It's going to be a messed up video now. It's going to be crazy. Yeah, you can't really put it around your wrist unless you're going to go like that. Like, you can't really hold it well. Okay. So it's now videotaping. Look, new vlog. This is my new vlog camera, everyone. Alright, let's see. To stop recording, press the operation button for 1 second. Alright, I'm going to stop recording. Peace. Alright, how do we do this? 1 Mississippi. Okay, it stopped. It's just straight red again. 4. Playback. To view files, please connect the camera to your computer via USB. As long as the micro SD card is inserted in the device window, should appear on your computer. You may choose to open the folder. All the files you have recorded will be stored separate folders and will be available for viewing. And then 5. Timestamp with nothing written under it. Okay, so I'm going to shut this off. I think you just hold it down. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi-ish. Alright. Oh no, we're videotaping again. I don't want to videotape. Oh no, it shut off. It was just blinking, then it shut off. Okay. We're good. It's not a zoom or anything. It's literally just this. It's like a piece of plastic. Alright, let's go plug this in and see what actually was captured. I'm really excited. On the side it says like HD, so if it actually HD and like good quality, this is an amazing purchase. But I got it on Amazon and I'll pop it up on the screen right now. So I actually got it for kind of cheap. It was only $13.99. I think I had an Amazon gift card, but yeah, Amazon right here. This is what it looks like if you're interested in getting the world's smallest camera. Alright, my brother's taking a shower, so if you hear some noise too, that's water. Sorry guys. Okay, so it popped up. This one right here that has video. Is this it? Let's double click. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, now it's flashing. Alright, I guess to hold it down, you just keep holding it. I don't know, maybe like 2 seconds is longer. But we're flashing now, and supposedly videotaping. Selfie. Duck face. This is like... Okay, this is cool. So... This is, before I watch the rest of it, this is like a what do you call it? Like a old home video. Look at the top thing up there. Like, we're in 2099. It's May 26th. A little complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, I'm sure it's not easy. Put this on your wrist. Oops. I'm interested on how the pictures came out now. This is like obviously crappy quality of audio and quality. Quality and audio quality. Okay. So it's now videotaping. Look, new vlog. It's so close to the my face. I was holding it pretty far away. This is how like people back in the day would record anyways, just really close to the face. Okay, I think I fast forward a little more, but I don't think I care that much anymore. I mean, that's still cool. I'll put on like my keychain or something. Alright, here are the pictures. So, you got that one. You got that one. That's nice. Crappy quality. I probably would never use this. Unless I'm like spying on someone, which I won't do. Yeah, I can cut that out because that's kind of weird, right? Nah, I'll keep it in. Anyways, yeah, this thing, yeah, it's a piece of crap. But good thing it was only like 14 bucks. I'm pretty sure there's better ones out there, probably better quality nowadays. I'm just, you know, balling on a budget and poor as crap. So, yeah, that's that. Overall, I mean, it's a cool thing for 14 bucks. If you think about it, 14 bucks, you can have a little camera on your keychain if you ever forget your phone, which no one nowadays does. You know, it's kind of fun. It's kind of cool. Just be like, hey guys, hold up 1 second. Okay, say cheese. But other than that, probably won't use it. Cool thing to try. I'm even poorer than I was, which is hard to believe if you've seen my bank account. If you're interested, I would say don't get it. Look for a different one. Spend the money to get a better one. GoPros nowadays, golden, but that's, you know, I just wanted to get the world's smallest camera. And I learned the hard way that it's a piece of crap. It's a piece of crap. So yeah, my word to you, don't get it. I hope you enjoyed this like unboxing, revealing, testing kind of thing. But yeah, please like, subscribe, comment. It was a waste of money. I know it was. Share, ring that notification bell. Follow me on all social medias, and I will see you next time.
Josh G Vlogs, we're out.
Josh G Vlogs, we out.